Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are unlocking an absolutely killer feature in a video player you probably already have on your computer, PotPlayer. We're going to show you how its built-in AI can generate subtitles for literally any video you throw at it.
You know the feeling, right? We've all been there. You find this amazing video. Maybe it's a tutorial, a foreign film, an interview, and bam, no subtitles. All that great content is just locked away behind a language barrier. It's so frustrating.
But what if I told you that you could generate those subtitles yourself, for free, using a powerful AI that's already hidden inside a tool you have, and it only takes a few clicks? Well, that's exactly what we're about to do.
So what is this magic? It's a feature called Create Subtitles from Sound, and it's built right into PotPlayer. It's not some basic tool either. It uses the super powerful Whisper.ai engine to actually listen to the audio and transcribe it, creating a perfectly timed subtitle file right on the spot. Okay, before we jump in, there are two super quick but really essential things you gotta do. First, just make sure your PotPlayer is updated to the latest version. And second, this is key. You have to run the program with administrator rights. If you don't, this feature just won't work. All set? Awesome. Now let's get into the fun part, the walkthrough. I'm going to guide you through the whole thing, step by step.
And honestly, it really is this simple. It boils down to just 4 main steps. We're going to find the feature, download the little AI engine that makes it all happen, tweak a couple of settings to get the best results, and then let it do its thing.
First things first, get your video playing in PotPlayer. Once it's up, just right-click anywhere on the video or open the main menu. From there, you're going to go to Subtitles, and then you'll see it. Create Subtitles from Sound. Go ahead and click that.
So that's going to open up a new window. Now, the very first time you do this, you'll need to download the AI engine. You'll see a button for it. And here's a little pro tip. Sometimes that download can look like it's frozen. Don't panic. Just close the program, make sure you restart it with those admin rights, and try the download again. It'll work.
Okay, the engine's downloaded, you're looking at the settings, and you're ready to just hit start, right? Hold on, don't click it yet. There are a few little tweaks we need to make here that will make a massive difference in how good your subtitles turn out. These are the pro tips.
First up, you get to choose your AI model. Now, the choice here is all about speed versus accuracy. Small is going to be the fastest, but the accuracy is just okay. Large is incredibly accurate, but man, it can take a long time. For almost everyone, medium is the perfect sweet spot. It's what the source material recommends, and it gives you a great balance of speed and quality.
Now, this next setting might be the single most important one on the whole screen. You have to tell the AI what language it's listening to. It's not going to guess. So if the audio is in Japanese, you have to select Japanese from the drop-down menu. Getting this right is the difference between gibberish and perfect subtitles.
Here's another quick way to squeeze a little more performance out of this. You can choose the processing engine. And it's really simple. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card in your computer, choose CUDA. For pretty much everything else, like Intel graphics, Vulkan is your best bet.
All right, listen up, because this part is absolutely crucial. Once you've set everything and you click that start button, you have to be patient. You'll see a progress bar, but especially on a long video, it might look like it's completely stuck. Trust me, it's working in the background. Do not close the program. Don't restart it, just let it cook. If you interrupt it, you'll have to start all over again.
And just to save you some time, let's cover a few things this can't do. First, it only works on video files that you have on your computer. It's not for live streams. Also, every once in a while, it might struggle with a weird video format. If that happens, the easiest fix is to just convert the video to something standard, like an MP4, and then try again.
So, you've waited patiently, the process finishes, and boom. Just like that, you have a full set of subtitles perfectly synced to your video. It's awesome. But we're not quite done. PotPlayer has one more amazing trick up its sleeve.
This is where it gets really cool. Once your subtitles are generated, you can close that little creation window. Now, go back to the subtitles menu, but this time, look for real-time subtitle translation. You can actually turn this on, pick a language, say English, and PotPlayer will translate the subtitles it just made for you on the fly as you watch. Of course, you're going to want to save all this hard work. To keep the subtitles forever, just head back to that Subtitles menu one last time and hit Save Subtitles. It'll automatically suggest a file name that matches your video, which is perfect for keeping things organized.
By default, it saves as a standard SRT file, which is what you want 99% of the time. It's compatible with everything. But if you're a power user and need a different format, you can just do Save As and you'll get a whole list of options, like ASS for advanced styling, or even just a plain text transcript.
Okay, let's wrap this up with a little reality check. This AI is amazing. It really is. But it's not a perfect human being. You're probably going to spot a weird word here or some slightly awkward phrasing there. The best way to think about it is that it's not a flawless final product. It's an incredible tool that gets you 95% of the way there, making content watchable that was impossible to understand before.
And that really leaves us with a fascinating question, doesn't it? When tools this powerful, this easy, and this free are just built into the software we use every day, how does that change how we consume media from all over the world? Are we on the verge of language barriers for video content just becoming a thing of the past? It's pretty exciting to think about.